Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about logarithmic function in integral calculus. This maths is intended to the students who are majoring in mathematics and sophomore engineering students. So I have here integral of e to the y dy over e to the y minus 1. So let my assumption will be u is equal to e to the y minus 1. And then derivative du is equals to derivative of ey is still ey. Then minus derivative of a constant will be 0. Then this will be dy. So this will be du is equals to ey. E to the y I mean dy. So this will be du. So du and then ey minus 1 is my u. So therefore this will be integral of du over u is equals to ln u plus c. So ln e to the y minus 1 plus c. So this is my number 1 answer. Now let's proceed to the second number. Number 2. Integral of dx over x ln x. Okay? So I can write this one dx over x times in here ln x. So my assumption, let u will be ln x. And we know that the derivative du of ln x will be 1 over x dx. Or this will be equal to dx over x. So this will be my du. So take note, this one is du. So this will be du, sorry, this is x. I'm wrong. This is dx over x. So this will be du. Then ln x will be my u. So therefore, this will be integral of du over u is ln u plus c. And then substitute my u. So this will be ln x plus c. So that is my number 2 answer. Please watch